Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. Time flies by, and here we are with another unboxing and quick first impressions. The box was taped like crazy, so I just cracked the surface and we're gonna get into it now. So I got this on the last AliExpress sale, and finally came in. Actually, the shipping wasn't that long. All right, so Escapement Time made one, and then this company called Chameri they also made one, which is a Grand Seiko homage, and this is the 40mm version. We're gonna get it unboxed and shipped on the leather strap, which looks nice. It's faux croc, definitely very stiff, but if you wear it a couple of days, it will break in nicely. You just have to play with it a bit, and yeah, really nice. Got that off-white cream dial. It's already running, and it does have that blued seconds hand, which I believe they claim is actually blued. Let's go ahead and take this off. Is always the fun part. Okay. Oh yeah, that's much better. Really nice dial. Really nice cut hands. Let's get it wiped off. There's a bit of residue from the plastic. Yeah, what do you guys think of this? Obviously, it's a very popular watch, very affordable watch. Like, geez, this was, by the time out of the sale, I think I was about 75 bucks, 80 bucks Canadian for a Mecha Quartz Seiko movement. No date. And what does it say there at the bottom? Quartz, yeah. So it's the Mecha Quartz, 4 ticks per second. But I like it, I prefer it, because the seconds hand on a quartz watch never hit the mark, and that would bother me. Look at the finishing. Nice and thin. Very simple case back. It's not genuine leather, but that's okay. Yeah, looks really good. I'm happy with it so far. First impressions are good. Let's do a quick wrist check. I got the Zelo's Spearfish Burnt Orange. And we're gonna go ahead and put this watch on just to show you on my 6 3/4 inch wrist what it looks like. Let's see if I can do this on camera. As you see, I have a plethora of other leather straps in my collection, so I will be trying it on some other leather straps as well. This one is really stiff. Yeah, there you go. Kind of looks good. It wears a bit flat. There's not that much curve down to the lugs, but that was the styling back in the day. They had these cases that were a little bit smaller. I think the original version of this might have been a little bit smaller, and I know Escapement Time does make a 36mm. That one hasn't been available in a while, so I opted for the 40, and it's nice. It wears well. I probably think the 36 would be a little bit too small. So I believe it's going to wear a little bit better on a nicer leather band. And yeah, so far pretty happy with it. Polished everywhere. But that's the style. I just really wanted it for that dial and those hands. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.